Duane here with the best of us, the Floros. I've got 3 handy dandy RV candy tips for you. Okay, we've got 3 handy dandy RV candy tips for RVers. Here we are in the spring. Sun continues to shine. Gorgeous day out. My heart's hurting because we want to get out and camp, but we just can't yet. So we want to show you 3 things that we did and what we learned from what we've done. 3 of them. Let's start with number 1. First of all, we put in this lock that enables us to not have to have our key with us all the time. We went with RV lock. We looked at a couple of different examples of keyless entry systems and chose this one because of the simplicity and the quality and the reviews that we read. But you make your own decision. Again, we don't get anything from any folks that we're mentioning. We just want to help out fellow RVers like you and like ourselves with what we've learned. So the keyless entry system is just a marvelous tool to have so that you're able to open, you're able to close, you're able to put in your code, and you're able to lock and unlock your camper. Now you do have backup keys just in case the batteries would happen to go out or whatever. But this is a great tool. We also have a remote control that comes with the system that you can remotely lock and unlock your camper. This is a great deal if you do a lot of camping. Now we were also told in the beginning that this particular model wouldn't work on our particular trailer. But it does. It fit the hole. We had to make just some minor adjustments to get it to go in, but it was done within about an hour, hour and a half of work to put this into place. Just like that. Handy dandy RV candy number 2. We still have our stairs that came with the trailer, but we chose to go with stabilizer stairs in order to get a little more stability on the side of the camper and a little more stability going up and down the steps. Our pets find these a lot easier to go up and down. We find them a lot easier to go up and down, and they lock in with a single handle, and the stairs then fold out with individual adjustments on the legs depending on your ground clearance for your particular site. They make them in 2 steps, 3 steps as we have, or 4-step models. And they are solid steps that hook right into the floor of your camper. You'll notice this does not have the power assist. It's a just like a support to help tailgates on trucks and other things go up and down easier. Ours does not have that. They do now, and we can add that and may add that to our stairs at some point. But it really makes this so easy you can do it with one finger, moving your stairs up and down if that's a concern for you, because they are they free fall. If you just pull out on, they'll go down by themselves. But it's a nice feature to have if you haven't purchased these yet. You might want to get the power assist stairs to make it a little easier for you. Handy dandy RV candy number 3. We recognize that with our screen doors, sometimes it felt as though we were pulling on the door and compromising the rigidity of the screens and all. And so we went to the RV store and found this handle that has adjustment for door width. And this is so nice because once you're inside of your RV and you only have your screen door, you can grab the bar and open and close it, pull it to you or pull the whole door to you by this handle. And you might say, well, I'm concerned about the width. The good thing about the width on this bar does not go all the way to the end. You have some play in here so that you can adjust it to your size door. Now I will tell you that there is a smaller one in case you have a smaller, narrower door, then this one would fit. But this would still expand out for a wider door or for a little more narrow door. But we love this. This is so handy dandy RV candy for us that if you haven't put one of these on, you can do this. I did this. I did this. 4 screws, leveler, it's up. So if you like these ideas, or you have some other great ideas that you'd like to pass along, it could be handy dandy RV candy for the rest of us, please put it in the comments. And also, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to us. We'd love for you to follow us and for us to be able to follow along with you. And give us a thumbs up if you find these handy dandy RV candy tools so helpful with what you're trying to do as we get ready to go RVing this summer. Come quickly. We're ready.